Kumusta? Welcome to the J. Roga Show, the first conservative podcast in the Philippines. We're protecting the Philippine family from woke ideology. At ano ang topic natin today? May kumalat na picture si Vice Ganda. It's a quote from his comments about grooming. I think sa It's Showtime ito, pinalabas sa kanilang isang segment. And let's just read the quote. Sabi ni Vice Ganda on grooming, hindi porket malayo yung edad, grooming. Grooming kung mayroon tatlong bagay na evident doon sa sitwasyon. Kung may abuse, kung merong manipulation, at saka merong exploitation. And according to Vice Ganda ay natutunan daw niya ito mula sa kanyang kaibigan na psychologist. And ito daw yung sinabi ng kaibigan niyang psychologist. And hindi na ako magdudwell doon sa kay Vice Ganda mismo. I don't want to go into chismis territory. And let's pray for him, for Vice Ganda. And nakita ko sa comment section yung mga pronouns na ginagamit sa kanya ay female pronouns. Lalaki po si Vice Ganda. Hindi ko na sabihin kung anong species ng lalaki. But, yeah. Okay. So, may konting punto si Vice Ganda doon sa hindi porke malayo ang edad, grooming. Well, technically, pwede namang sabihin kasing malayo yung edad na 20-year-old yung isa, tapos 40 yung kapartner niya. Hindi grooming yon kasi adult na pareho. So technically, tama siya doon. Hindi porke malayo ang edad, grooming. But, medyo baka misdirect ang mga tao na yun lang ang i-take. Definitely, when we say grooming, it's between a person who is in a position of power or authority and a person who is minor na talagang hindi makapagbigay ng informed consent. And the reason kung bakit we don't have much privileges for minors is this reason na hindi siya makapagbigay ng full consent on anything. Kaya may restriction sa alcohol, may restriction sa pagboto, sa pag-drive, sa panonood ng R-rated movies, and etc. And it is indeed grooming kung minor versus matanda ang nag-interplay when it comes to being a couple, di ba? So grooming 'yon. And tama naman, kung may abuse, kung may manipulation, at saka merong exploitation. So this is grooming. Definitely, lahat ng sinabi niyo na 'yon is correct. Now, I would like to draw your attention doon sa grooming na nangyayari na right under our noses. And definitely, hindi alam ng maraming parents ito, ng maraming school officials, ng maraming estudyante that there's already grooming happening. And maaring unintentionally, but it's there. And what I'm talking about are yung SOGI lessons, sexual orientation, gender identity lessons sa mga schools, doon sa curriculum ng DepEd. And I pray na mas maraming tao ang mag-call attention dito. Kung di nyo alam ang tinutukoy ko, i-check out nyo yung curriculum ng DepEd sa Ariling Panlipunan, grade 10. And ang grade 10, mga bata pa ito, minor de edad pa to, matanda na yung 16 na grade 10, di ba? This is fourth year high school. Pero ang mga tinuturo dito ay yung mga Western idea ng gender ideology, which kung Catholic ka, ito yung tinatawag ni Pope Francis na most dangerous ideological colonization. And tinuturo siya sa mga bata as if fact na ang mga ito, that a man can be a woman and a woman can be a man. So check out nyo yung lesson na yan. We made an episode last season about this sa podcast, and we had a call to action sa mga ibang conservatives to email your school. And that still stands. Kapag nakita kayo ng mga lessons na ito sa notebook ng anak nyo, email nyo. Especially kung Catholic school ang nag-aaral ang anak nyo or Christian school siya nag-aaral. Hindi nila dapat tinuturo ito. Dapat ang tinuturo sa Catholic school is theology of the body. At the same time, grooming ding maitatawag kung ang lesson sa school nila has something to do with sexual orientation. And I don't have anything against sa people with same-sex attraction. And in fact, when it comes to movies and TV shows, kung nasa R18 realm ang mga sensitive na bagay na ito, that's fine. Kasi mga mature audiences na yung makakita. But kung ibababa nyo sa level ng mga kabataan ang mga bagay na ito, yung LGBTQIP2SAA stuff, lesbian, gay, bisexual, trans, queer, questioning, etc., etc., ini-introduce nyo sa kanila yung concept ng pansexual, non-binary, and different genders, agender, achuchuchu gender, blah, 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 gender. It's as if the teacher, kung may agenda yung teacher, and hopefully wala, is seeding these concepts sa utak ng mga bata. And ano i-expect mo? They might choose in one of those buffet of genders and sexual orientations na present mo, di ba? Instead na we keep their minds pure dito sa konsepto na ito. And itong konsepto na ito, it's highly debated. Tayo sa Pilipinas, huli na tayo sa balita. Inisip pa lang natin na, itong konsepto na to ng West, this is a good idea. Kailangan i-present natin sa lahat ito. Pero huli na tayo sa balita na ang Western counterparts natin, they're reversing the tide dito sa gender issues. They're reversing the tide. Sa UK, pinasara na yung largest gender-affirming clinic nila, the Tavistock Clinic. And lumabas nga yung research na walang magandang naidudulot ang pagta-transition sa mga bata. So, search nyo yun. Ngayon, sana yun ang itinuturo sa mga bata. Sana yun ang tinuturo. Yung dangers ng ideology na ito. Pero hindi. It's as if this ideology, the gender ideology, and the LGBTQ plus agenda is promoted. And this is the form of grooming na gusto ko mag-focus on, and I pray na lahat tayo sama-sama I'm calling to action that anyone who listens to this episode, who's watching this episode, kung makakita kayo sa lesson ng anak nyo, grade 10, Araling Panlipunan, check out their notebooks. Kung makakita kayo ng LGBTQ plus lessons, send me an email sa thejarugashow.com. So, hanapin nyo yung thejarugashow.com. You'll subscribe there. You'll get my email address there. Or send me a message sa FB page. Then maybe I could help you send an email din sa principal ng school. This is what I did. And there are some fruitful conversations from that. So, yun lang. This has been another episode of the Jay Aruga Show. At the end of the day, it will be night. Goodbye. Hi, this is Jay Aruga of the Jay Aruga Show. If you like what you just saw, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. We'll need all of your help to take back the culture from this ideological colonization of the West. Thank you.